In this video we're checking out the RushFPV Tank Race Edition. This is pretty similar to the original tank that was on the 30x30 mount. This does not have any mounting option, as you can see here. It's obviously designed for being more lightweight, and it's basically the same video transmitter as far as I can tell. It's just that it only goes up to 500 milliwatts on this one, I believe. Yeah, it doesn't go to 800 milliwatts. 2 to 8S, and it uses Smart Audio version 1. It does also PIT mode, and it comes with the connector right here, the wiring loom that connects right there, along with the MMCX connector to SMA adapter. Also, you can use the solder pads here, which is what I actually used in my iFlight XL5 here, and this had a AKK race video transmitter in there before, and I swapped that out for this one. And you know, the title of this video is why these RushFPV video transmitters are better than the ones from TBS. And the main reason is, and it's obviously small sample size, I'm only going off of 2 different models, the original tank and the tank race edition. Both of them have a lot less video noise than the TBS video transmitters I've used. Now when I put this one into the XL5 here, I swapped out the AKK video transmitter. That one had quite a bit of noise, and then once I put this in here, there's absolutely no noise at all, which is one of the reasons I think while these video transmitters are definitely, they cost more than the AKK ones, you're going to get a lot cleaner video signal from your FPV system. So this is why I would recommend these, even though they cost a little bit more. Now in terms of power output, obviously I did do the tests on the RF meter. All the numbers are basically pretty close to what they're rating, up to 500 milliwatts, and 25 milliwatts is pretty close to 25 milliwatts. I'm not going to show you the actual results because of all the controversy surrounding this particular power meter, and you can go to Barbell's channel, and he has a video on why he's not using this anymore either. But I did do the test, and it is fairly close, but I'm not going to actually put the numbers up here because of all the controversy and comments I'm going to get about whether the results are consistent, accurate, reliable, etc. Power output's totally fine. I never fly far away anyway, and the thing that I'm mostly impressed about with this is the low amount of video noise. Okay, so obviously this is designed for, or intended for racing. We want to go and see what kind of a weight we're going to get here. And it's just under 6 grams, so pretty light. And here are the dimensions, about 22.1 millimeters by 34 millimeters by about 3.8 millimeters. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the quality of these video transmitters from RushFPV, at least for the 2 that I've tested so far. I actually do have the 20x20 version that just came in, and I'm going to be doing a video on that one later, and I'm pretty much expecting the same results with very clean video on here on a very small, lighter setup. Anyway, so if you've been on the fence about this video transmitter, not sure if you should get it or not, I would definitely consider it, and I would recommend this video transmitter if you don't mind spending a little bit more money. Obviously, you know, if you want higher quality, you gotta spend a little bit more money, and this one definitely qualifies. Anyway guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll have another video on the mini version of this, the 20x20, pretty soon after I do some testing. I'll let you know how the results are for that one. That's gonna do it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.